Hola! I'm going to be singing Bruno Mars' It Will Rain, and I'm going to be doing a cappella because I do not have an instrumental, so I hope that you enjoy this. If you ever leave me, baby, leave some morphine at my door, 'cause it'll take a whole lot of medication to realize what we used to have, we don't have it anymore. There is nobody that can save me, no matter how long my knees are on the floor. Oh, realize all the sacrifices I'm making to keep you by my side. I'll keep you from walking out the door, 'cause there'll be no sunlight if I lose you, baby. There'll be no clear skies if I lose you, baby. Just like the clouds, my eyes will do the same if you walk away. Every day it'll rain, rain, rain. Don't you say goodbye. Don't you say goodbye. I'll pick up these broken pieces till I'm bleeding. That'll make you mine, 'cause there'll be no sunlight if I lose you, baby. There'll be no clear skies if I lose you, baby. Just like the clouds, my eyes will do the same if you walk away. Every day it'll rain, rain.